Hello. Welcome. Welcome to the Absa Bank Regional Championship. This is the third contest for the day and the seventh of the quarterfinal stage of the Ashanti Regional Championship. It features Osei Tutu SHS, Wesley SHS Bekwai, KNUST SHS. Yeah, you can see that. And Yaa Asantewaa SHS. Now let's meet the contestants. Osei Tutu SHS is represented by
Ijime Francis
and
James Samoyao.
all right. Wesley SHS Bekwai is represented by
Atobra Prince.
and
Adam Entry Maxwell.
KNUST SHS is represented by
Kelvin Atwang in his final year.
and
Junior. Andrews Adote Junior, final year.
Yaa Asantewaa SHS is represented by
Ananta Tapel, final year.
and
Final year.
all right. Before I continue, I would like to acknowledge that the Absa Bank Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Absa Bank with support from Joy News and YFM. This is a primetime production. My name is William James Akampolimba, your quiz master. So, contestants, the contest comes to you in 4 rounds. The first round, as usual, is made up of fundamental concepts in science and mathematics. Simple, direct questions requiring simple and direct answers from you. A correct answer in this round fetches you 3 points. If you are unable to answer your major question correctly, it may be passed on for a bonus point of 1. Once the school rings the bell and picks a bonus question and answers it correctly, that school gains 1 more point. Otherwise, 1 point will be deducted. So be very careful the way you pick bonuses. You have 10 seconds to answer questions that do not involve calculations and 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations. All questions are to be attempted once only. All right. For this first set of questions, it will require 30 seconds of your time, after which I'll come to you, KNUST SHS. The molecular formula of an organic compound contains carbons, hydrogens, and 1 oxygen atom. Give 1 functional group likely to be present in that compound. Let me take it again. The molecular formula of an organic compound contains hydrogens, carbons, and 1 oxygen atom. Give 1 functional group likely to be present in this compound. I give you, all right? All right, so you give me 1, so these questions are not transferred. When I come to mention 1, so KNUST, go ahead.
OH group bonded to an alkyl group. That's alkano.
Take your time. Give me 1 answer. Just mention the name of the functional group. That's all. I don't want the phone.
Akano.
Yes. Yaa Asantewaa. Yaa Asantewaa, go ahead.
Group. The carbonyl group. Carbonyl group.
No. Osei Tutu.
Ita. Ita.
Ita. Yes. Wesley SHS, Bekwai.
Ketones.
Yes. Preamble. The reflex pathway or the reflex arc is composed of 5 primary components. Mention one each, not transferable. I'll take it again. The reflex pathway or the reflex arc is composed of 5 primary components. Mention one each. KNUST. Go ahead.
The dorsal root of the spinal cord.
Come again.
The dorsal root of the spinal cord.
Dorsal.
Root of the spinal cord.
No. Yaa Asantewaa.
Myelin sheath. Myelin sheath.
No. Osei Tutu.
Interneuron.
Yes. Wesley SHS.
Effectors. Effectors and receptors.
I'll give that to you. So the possible answers are we have the receptor, we have the sensory nerve, the interneuron, motor nerve, and the effector. All right. Next set, 30 seconds, and there's a preamble. Find the radius of the Bohr's orbit with quantum number n in the Bohr's atom of atomic number 2. That's the preamble. Do you have it? I'll take it once again. Find the radius of the Bohr's orbit with quantum number n in the Bohr's atom of atomic number 2. So KNUST, when n is equal to 1. Yes, go ahead.
2.99 by 10 exponent negative 11 meters.
No. Yes, Wesley SHS.
0.53 times 10 to the power negative 10 meters.
No. So I will hold on to the answer. Yaa Asantewaa, I've told you, you have to wait for me to declare an answer as wrong. That is why I did not consider you. Yaa Asantewaa, when n is equal to 2,
211.6 picometers.
no. For a bonus. Wow. Osei Tutu.
1.06 by 10 to the power negative 10 meters.
Exactly. Osei Tutu. Osei Tutu. When n is equal to 4, yes, go ahead.
4.23 by 10 to the power negative 10 meters.
Yes. Wesley SHS. Wesley SHS. When n is equal to 5, yes, go ahead if you're ready.
We have 14.2 times 10 to the power negative 10 meters.
No. For a bonus. Yes, KNUST.
1.26 by 10 exponent negative 9 meters.
No. So the right answer is the bonus has already gone.
No,
KNUST rank, they have already taken the bonus. You can't ring again. Yes, it's once. All right. So the answer is 6.61 times 10 to the power negative 10 meters. Yaa Asantewaa, your answer, sorry, KNUST, 2.65 times 10 to the power negative 11 meters. Next, 30 seconds and there's a preamble. Factorize completely. KNUST. In one bracket, 2x plus y all squared minus in another bracket, x minus y all squared. Yes, go ahead.
I have in one bracket x plus 2y, and in another bracket 3x.
Yes. Yaa Asantewaa. KNUST, you have to be careful next time. The brackets are multiplying. Okay. Yaa Asantewaa. Brackets open, 3x minus 2y all squared minus, in another bracket, 2x minus 5y all squared. Are you ready? Is your hand up? Yaa Asantewaa. All right, KNUST for a bonus.
We have two brackets multiplying. In one bracket, 5x minus 7y. And in the second bracket, x plus 3y.
No. The right answer is 5, multiplying the expression in bracket, x minus y, multiplying in another bracket, x plus y. Osei Tutu. In one bracket, 5x plus 3y all squared, minus in another bracket, 3x minus 4y all squared. Yes, go ahead.
2 brackets multiplying. And in the first bracket, 8x minus y. And in the second bracket, 2x plus 7y.
Yes. Wesley SHS. In one bracket, Wesley, 2x minus 3y all squared, minus in another bracket, 5x plus 4y all squared. Is your hand up? Please go ahead. Yes, KNUST.
We have two brackets multiplying. In one bracket, 7x plus y. And in another bracket, in the second bracket, minus, bracket open, 3x plus 7y. Bracket close.
No. The right answer. The right answer. Negative outside. So, negative bracket open, 7x plus y, multiplying in another bracket, 3x plus 7y. Next set, 30 seconds. KNUST. What mass of methanoic acid is required to completely neutralize a solution of 100 centimeter cube of 0.400 mole per decimeter cube KOH? Take the atomic mass of carbon to be 12.0, oxygen 16.0, hydrogen 1.00. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, KNUST.
1.84 by 10 exponent 0 grams.
Okay, I'll accept it. All right. Please relax, take your time. Yaa Asantewaa. You are very skillful. Yaa Asantewaa. What mass of ethanoic acid is required to completely neutralize a solution of 80.0 centimeter cube of 0.500 mole per decimeter cube NaOH? Take the atomic mass of carbon to be 12.0, oxygen 16.0, and hydrogen 1.00. Go ahead.
2.40 grams.
Exactly. Good work. And I like the way you presented your answer. Osei Tutu. Calculate the mass of solid present in 300 centimeter cube solution of Na2CO3 of concentration 0.300 mole per decimeter cube. Take the atomic mass of sodium to be 23.0, carbon 12.0, oxygen 16.0. Yes, is your hand up? Okay, go ahead.
9.54 grams.
Yes. Wesley SHS. What mass of Na2SO4 must be dissolved in 200 centimeter cube of solution to obtain a concentration of 0.50 mole per decimeter cube? Take the atomic mass of sodium to be 23.0, sulfur 32.0, oxygen 16.0. Is your hand up? Yes, go ahead.
28.4 grams.
No. Osei Tutu.
14.2 grams.
Yes. Next. Ten seconds each. In which form This one is a preamble. In which form is water normally present in the following? In which form is water normally present in the following? KNUST, clouds. Go ahead.
Solid state.
No. Yaa Asantewaa. Plants.
Liquid.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Some mountain tops.
It is gaseous in nature.
No.
That's
No. A solid form. Wesley SHS. Animals.
Liquid.
Yes. So, your own was also liquid form or droplet of water. Next, 30 seconds, and there's a preamble. Light is incident from air onto a refracting surface of a triangular prism of refracting angle A at an angle of incidence of theta. I'll take it again. Light is incident from air onto a refracting surface of a triangular prism of refracting angle A and at an angle of incident theta. Okay. KNUST. For A equals 60.0 degrees and theta equals 30.0 degrees, find the angle of incidence on the opposite side of the refracting surface, given that the refracting angle at first surface is 19.5. Yes, go ahead if you are ready. Go ahead.
30 degrees.
No, Fuebono. I'll hold on to the answer. Yaa Asantewaa. With the same preamble, for A equals 60.0 degrees and theta equals 30.0 degrees, find the angle of deviation given that the angle of emergence is 61.9 degrees. Go ahead.
31.9 degrees.
Yes. Osei Tutu. For A equals 30.0 degrees and theta equals 30.0 degrees, find the angle of deviation given that the angle of emergence is 15.9 degrees. Yes, go ahead if you are ready. Osei Tutu.
14.1 degrees.
No. Yes, KNUST.
15.9 degrees.
Yes. Wesley SHS. Wesley SHS. For A equals 30.0 degrees. Theta equals 30.0 degrees. Find the angle of incidence on the opposite refracting surface, given that the refraction angle at the first surface is 19.5 degrees. Yes, go ahead.
19.5 degrees.
No, fue bonus. The right answer is 10.5 degrees. Last pair of questions for the round. 30 seconds each. And there's a preamble. Differentiate the rational function. Do you have it? All right, KNUST. Y is equal to, in one bracket, 5x plus 4 over another bracket, 4x minus 5. Yes, is your hand up? Go ahead.
For a fraction with numerator 41 and denominator 4x minus 5 all square.
No. Osei Tutu.
dy on dx equals a fraction with numerator negative 41 and with denominator bracket open 4x minus 5 bracket close squared.
Yes. Yaa Asantewaa. Yaa Asantewaa. Y is equal to 3x plus 2 in a bracket. The 3x plus 2 is in bracket. All over another bracket, 2x minus 5. Yes, go ahead, Yaa Asantewaa.
dy dx is equal to a fraction with numerator negative 19 on 2x minus 5 all squared.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Y is equal to 3x over the expression in brackets 6x minus 5. Go ahead.
dy over dx equals a fraction with numerator negative 15 and denominator bracket open 6x minus 5 bracket close all squared.
Yes. Wesley SHS. Last question. Y is equal to, in brackets, 7x plus 4, all over in another bracket, 4x minus 7. Yes, go ahead.
dy dx is equal to a fraction where we have the numerator to be negative 65 all over the dy dx is equal to a fraction where we have the numerator to be
Take your time. Numerator.
negative 65, and the
Okay.
denominator in one bracket 4x minus 7 all to the power 2.
Yes. On that note, the end of round 1.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy, busy, busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, city check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life. No like I'm simple and easy. Easy. Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy, busy, busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, city check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Hello. Hello. At the end of round 1, here are the scores. KNUST SHS has 7 points. Wesley SHS Bekwai, 11 points. Yaa Asantewaa SHS, 12 points. And Osei Tutu SHS, 21 points. Round 2. Round 2 is also known as the speed race. In this round, all questions are directed to all schools at the same time. The first school to ring the bell gets the opportunity to answer correctly on the first attempt for 3 points, 2 points on the second attempt, and 1 point on the third or fourth attempts. That is if there's still time remaining for that question to be answered. You have 10 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations and 30 seconds to answer questions, 10 seconds to answer questions that do not involve calculations and 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations. All questions are to be attempted once only. Remember, in this round, precision is what is required. Please, when you ring the bell and you are called upon to deliver an answer, first point, we call your name, answer is not coming. Second time, answer is not coming. The bell will go. If it goes and you even speak the answer through it, I will not take it. All right. For the first set, 30 seconds each. Calculate the number of hydrogen atoms present in 8.00 grams of N2H4. Take Avogadro's constant to be 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Yes, Osei Tutu.
6.0 by 10 to the power 23 atoms.
No. Yes. KNUST. Go ahead.
1.5 by 10 exponents.
No.
23 more.
Yaa Asantewaa.
1.5 times 10 exponent 23 hydrogen.
No. So nitrogen to be 14.0 and hydrogen 1.00. .02 times 10 to the power 23. All right. Next, determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction P4 plus Br2 going into PBr3. Yes, Osei Tutu. Go ahead.
11.
Yes. Next. What is the oxidation state of carbon in benzene? Yes, Osei Tutu. Go ahead.
-1.
Yes. Next. 10 seconds each. 10 seconds each. State what will happen if all the seeds of a plant fall in a small region below the tree. Yes, Osei Tutu. Go ahead.
Okay, so when these seeds are found on a small region under the parent tree, there will be competition among the new seedlings and plants for factors such as sunlight, water, and nutrients.
Exactly. Next. Next. Which of the following exhibits the highest rate of transpiration? A, growing shoot apex. B, root tip. C, germinating seed. D, leaf bud. Yes, Osei Tutu? Go ahead.
D, leaf bud.
No. KNUST?
Growing shoot apex.
No. Yaa Asantewaa?
Germinating seed.
Yes. Next. Arrange the following. Arrange the following in the correct sequence of events with respect to fungal sexual cycle. Plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. Yes, Osei Tutu?
Meiosis, plasmogamy, and karyogamy.
No. Yes, Wesley SHS?
The karyogamy, meiosis, and plasmogamy.
No. Yaa Asantewaa, go ahead.
Pyrogamy, plasmogamy, and meiosis.
No. It's the same order. Plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. Next set, 30 seconds each. For the first one, it's 10 seconds. First one, 10 seconds. Name the principal property of an optical fiber that necessitates the development of optical amplifiers in fiber optic networks. Yes, Osei Tutu?
Total internal reflection.
No. The right answer is attenuation. Attenuation. Next, 30 seconds. An object moves along a straight line with a constant acceleration of 10 meters per second squared. If the initial velocity of the object is negative 80 meters per second, find the time it takes to return to its starting point. Yes, KNUST?
.0 seconds.
No. Osei Tutu?
8 seconds.
No. The right answer is 16 seconds. Next, a 15.0 Newton object slides down a rough plate inclined at 45.0 degrees to the horizontal at a constant speed of 5.00 meters per second. Find the magnitude of the kind. Yes. Osei Tutu?
1.
No. So I continue. The magnitude of the kinetic friction force on the object. Yes, KNUST?
1.00.
No. The right answer is 10.6 newtons. Last set of questions for the round. Find the area of a trapezium with base lengths of 10 centimeters and 20 centimeters separated by a distance of 15 centimeters. Yes, Osei Tutu?
225 centimeters squared.
Yes. Next. Find the distance between the center of the circles. X squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4y is equal to 7, and x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 20y is equal to 25. The answer is 13 units. Last question. Evaluate and simplify 4 over the expression in brackets 1 plus 3 tangent of 30 degrees. Yes, Osei Tutu? Go ahead.
2 root 3 minus 2.
You are right. On that note, the end of round 2.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy, and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Hello. At the end, Hello. At the end of round 2, here are the scores. KNUST SHS, 3 points. Wesley SHS Bekwai, 10 points. Yaa Asantewaa SHS, 11 points. And Osei Tutu SHS, 30 points. Before we continue, the following substitutions are to be made. Osei Tutu, Benedict Danson is coming in for Francis Ajay. Francis, be nice having you. Good work done. Wesley SHS Bekwai. Julius Asari is coming in for Maxwell Adom. Maxwell, thank you. Round 3. Please. Round 3. Round 3 is a round of the true or false statements. In this round, I'll be reading statements to you. And what you have to do is to tell me whether the statement I gave to you is either true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, 1 point deducted. You may choose not to respond. In that case, that statement becomes available to the other 3 remaining schools to compete for. Once a school rings the bell and is given the opportunity to give a response and gives the right response, that school earns 2 points. Otherwise, the school will lose a precious point. You have 10 seconds to analyze your statement and give the response. Please do that carefully. This time, I will start with you, Yaa Asantewaa SHS. Yaa Asantewaa, NH4Cl is soluble in an aqueous solution.
True.
Yes. Osei Tutu, Zn brackets open, CH3 COO brackets close subscript 2 is soluble in aqueous solution.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Wesley SHS, Na2S is soluble in aqueous solution. Go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. KNUST, CaSO4 is soluble in aqueous solution. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Next, Yaa Asantewaa. Intestinal villi possesses microvilli.
True.
Yes. Osei Tutu. Intestinal villi increase the surface area of the intestine.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Wesley SHS. Intestinal villi only participate in digestion of fats.
True.
No, it's a false statement. KNUST. Intestinal villi are supplied with capillaries and lacteal vessels. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Yaa Asantewaa. The temperature of a body is the measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of the body.
True.
Yes. Osei Tutu. The temperature of a body is measured by bringing the body into thermal equilibrium with a body of known temperature. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Wesley SHS. The temperature of a very cold body is negative. Go ahead.
It's false.
Yes. KNUST. Whether a body has positive or negative temperature depends on the nature of the body. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Next. There's a preamble. A linear sequence has first term A and common difference D. Yaa Asantewaa. The nth term is U subscript n is equal to A plus n times D.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. The sum of the first n terms is S subscript n is equal to, in one bracket, n over 2, multiplying in another bracket 2a plus, brackets open, n minus 1, brackets close, times d, all brackets close.
True.
Yes. Wesley SHS. An exponential sequence has first term A and common ratio R. The nth term is U subscript n is equal to A R raised to the power n.
It's false.
Yes. KNUST. For an exponential sequence, the sum to infinity exists if S subscript infinity is equal to A over the expression 1 plus R. Go ahead.
It's false.
Yes. Yaa Asantewaa. Yaa Asantewaa. Some elements with atomic number between 1 to 20 have no known isotopes.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. All elements on the periodic table have at least one stable isotope. Go ahead.
True.
No. Wesley SHS. All elements from atomic number 1 to 80 have naturally occurring isotopes? Go ahead.
False. False.
Yes. KNUST. All elements with atomic number greater than 94 have no naturally occurring isotopes. Go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to the reason why exposure to carbon monoxide is harmful to animals. I'll take that again. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to the reason why exposure to carbon monoxide is harmful to animals. Yaa Asantewaa. It reduces carbon dioxide transport.
False.
Yes. Osei Tutu. It increases oxygen transport.
False.
Yes. Wesley SHS. It increases carbon dioxide transport. Yes, go ahead.
False.
Yes. KNUST. It reduces oxygen transport. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Next is a preamble. Only a uniform electric field exists in a certain region. That's the preamble. Only a uniform electric field exists in a certain region. That's the preamble. Yaa Asantewaa. A charge in the region moves in the direction of the electric field.
True.
No. Osei Tutu. A charge in the region moves along a straight line.
True.
No, it's a false statement. Wesley SHS. A charge in the region experiences a constant net force.
False.
I'm sorry, it's a true statement. KNUST. A positive charge in the region moves in the direction of the electric field. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Last pair of statements for the round. There's a preamble. In the following, X is a real number. Please. You are not helping them up here. The noise is too much. In the following, X is a real number. Yaa Asantewaa. If log X is greater than 0, then X is greater than 1.
True.
Yes. Osei Tutu. If log x is less than 0, then 0 is less than x less than 1. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Wesley SHS. If log x is less than 1, then 1 less than x less than 10. Yes, go ahead.
It's true.
No, it's a false statement. Last statement, KNUST. If log x is greater than 1, then x is greater than 10. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. On that note, the end of round 3. At the end of round 3, here are the scores. Wesley SHS Bekwai, 14 points. KNUST SHS, 16 points. Yaa Asantewaa SHS, 24 points. And Osei Tutu SHS, 34 points. Round 4. Round 4 is the round of the riddles. In this round, I'll be reading out clues for you to solve a riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve it on the second clue, 4 points. If you solve it on the third or any other set of clues thereafter, 3 points. If you attempt to answer a riddle and you are not successful, you will be out of that particular riddle. In order to answer a riddle in this round, you need to alert me by ringing your bells. Osei Tutu, may I hear your bell? Wesley SHS, KNUST, Yaa Asantewaa. All right. When you ring, your answer must be ready. There are 4 riddles in all. The first one. All right. I am a compound of high purity. I am also very stable and generally unreactive. I exhibit low hygroscopicity and high molecular mass. This is because I am used to determine the concentration of other compounds. Indeed, I am a standard for other compounds. Who am I? Yes, KNUST? Go ahead, KNUST.
Standard solution.
No. Yaa Asantewaa?
MJCL2.
No. Wesley SHS.
H2O.
No. Osei Tutu.
CASO4.
No. The right answer is primary standard. Primary standard. Next. I am a stage in the life cycle that is found in all plants and certain species of algae. I am a haploid. Yes, Osei Tutu.
Gametophyte stage.
You are right. I was on the second clue, 4 points. Next. I am a type of arrangement. More precisely, I am one of the 2 types of arrangement. Yes, Yaa Asantewaa?
Permutation.
No. Osei Tutu?
Combination.
No. KNUST? KNUST?
Parallel arrangement.
No. So I continue. It's all yours now, Wesley High School. These 2 arrangements are employed in electronic and electric circuits. I am associated with current measurements, never with voltage measurements. I am the type of arrangement of electrical components in which all the current flows through each of the components. Who am I? Yes, Wesley SHS?
Series arrangement.
Yes. Last riddle. Last riddle. I am a point. I am the point of the coordinate plane. Oh, is that so? Wesley SHS.
Point of inflection.
No. So I continue. I am a unique point on a curve in the coordinate plane. I am not a stationary point. Yaa Asantewaa?
Origin.
No. KNUST?
Turning point.
No. So I continue. I am not a point of inflection. I am the y-intercept of the curve y equals x squared plus 5. Who am I? Yes, Osei Tutu.
Point of intersection.
No. The answer is 0.5. On that note, the end of round 4. Hello. Hello. Osei Tutu is enough. It's enough. Okay. At the end of the contest, here are the scores. KNUST SHS had 16 points. Wesley SHS Bekwai 17 points. Yaa Asantewaa SHS 24 points. And Osei Tutu SHS 38 points. Congratulations to you, Osei Tutu. We look forward to seeing you in the semi-final. Thank you for joining us for the Absa Bank Championship from the Ashanti Region. Once again, the Absa Bank Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Absa Bank and with support from Joy News and YFM. This is a primetime production. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Alande, make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like them simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy, and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.